Hi, I'm Randy from RaCo Woodworking. Today we're going to be making, I don't know if you call it a puzzle or a little conversation piece. It's basically a square or a cube inside of a cube. It's pretty easy to make, not a lot to it. You only need one piece of wood, one block of wood. So let's get started. You want to start off by getting the center of one of the sides. This is very important for this process. Now over to the drill press. I got a 2-inch Forstner Bit and I got my stop block set up. And if you watched another video that I had with the mysterious marble inside the cube, you notice that I got the same size block and the same stop block. So first, you just want to drill down about 1/4 of an inch or 3/8 just to give yourself a little marker for the next step. So now we got our initial hole drilled. We're going to just put a couple lines for markers. So the first thing you want to do, which you probably could have done on the first mark, is mark the corners across. And then you just take one side and line up where the lines meet your cut. So now when you set the depth of your drill press, you want it to come down about 1/16 of an inch just shy of this mark. So I got my depth set for my drill press. You may notice that I had to change the clamps on my stop block because they were stopping on the base when I lowered the marker for the drill press. So now the next step is just to drill the 6 holes on all the sides. Now, as you can see, the Forstner bit didn't cut all the way through. It's still attached by the corners, which is what we wanted. So we're just going to cut those off with the knife. There you have it. The cube is broke free. The only thing left now is try to sand down all the rough edges, inside and out. So here's the completed project of the cube inside the cube. So to finish it off, I just did some light sanding inside and out the little cube and the big cube, and finished it off with some mineral oil. So it's a good little puzzle or conversation piece to get people to figure out how you got the cube inside the cube. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit subscribe and like below, and you can enjoy some of my other videos that I have on YouTube.